If you are going to list the items on eBay, TikTok seller shop, Facebook, or another social media platform which gives the opportunity to sell the products online, you must pay attention towards the fast shipping. If you are offering fast shipping to your buyers, it will increase your credibility, because of the people who are living in UK, USA or China. They always prefer their time, because of, I think, the people of these areas, these countries or these regions always prefer their time, not prefer their money or prefer their products. Always the biggest opportunity or the biggest asset, they think, their time. So as a seller, you should always pay attention towards the fast shipping. You should always offer fast shipping maximum 24 to 48 hours. Preferably 24 hours or maximum 48 hours. Thank you.